Hi there, my name is Andrew Schneider with TIDAL Professional Products. Today I'm going to show you how to operate, clean, and maintain your 25-gallon battery-powered fill tank. Let's get to it. First up, we're going to fill the 25-gallon tank with water. To do that, we're going to grab the garden hose, hook it up to the back of the unit here. Once you've done that, remove the lid to the tank and turn on the hose. In this case, we're using water. However, you can use mixed chemical, whatever you prefer. Next up, we're going to turn on power to the pump. To do that, on the current 18 volt here, which is the battery system that powers the 12 volt pump with our 18 volt battery, you're going to press and hold the power button for 2 to 3 seconds. And right away, you will see a red LED letting you know that power is currently going to the pump, as well as a charge level indicator to show you how much juice you have in your battery. At the rear of your truck, you have your backpack sprayer. Take off the lid, grab the 10-foot hose with the brass ball valve, and power on the unit. You can do that one of two ways. You can do it with the button right here on the module, or you can use the remote. In this case, I'll use the remote. Once your backpack sprayer is filled, you can turn off the valve and hit the off button on the remote, and you're ready to begin your application. As you may have noticed, this is a 4-gallon backpack and a 5.5 gallon per minute pump on the fill tank. You're filling this model here in under a minute. Great for efficiency in the field. Next up, I'm going to show you how to clean and maintain your battery-powered fill tank. When cleaning and maintaining your 25-gallon battery-powered fill tank, there's a few things that you should know. First up, and daily, you should clean the filter on the pump. To do that, you're going to take off the filter cup, clean the cartridge, make sure the black gasket in here is in good working condition, and reinstall on the unit. If you're not going to be using the battery-powered fill tank for an extended period of time, it would be a good idea to take the battery out of the current 18 volt. To do that, you're lifting up the door, taking the battery and putting it in a climate-controlled area. Once a year, you should be cleaning your tank. To do that, let all the product run out of the tank, and you'll use a tank cleaner to make sure you're cleaning the walls. And before you put this back into service, just run fresh water through the entire unit. If you're in a colder climate, you might want to winterize this sprayer when you see cold temps coming in the forecast. To do that, you're going to drain all of the product from the tank, disconnect the suction line going into the filter, remove the filter cup and cartridge, disconnect the treating hose from the outbound port of the pump, and remove the battery from the current 18 volt battery system, and store this in a climate-controlled room. With that, we've successfully completed the cleaning and maintenance portion of this video for the 25-gallon battery-powered fill tank. For more information, you can visit us at www.tidalprofessionalproducts.com. Thank you.